KHUBOR pibaro nakadurasin kan rashlong apriang sbah pi saisian shakana ka program ka bawan chapi malaga singu blay nakabanta ki KHUBOR LAIT KAM bat ki KHUBOR LAIT KAM jang katiyo ki longkabne Meghalaya Public Service Commission MPSC kapat manay ki KHUBOR LAIT KAM at ki kon application na ki candidate ki badane ka mon na ki kandan jing puliwan pandap ki pose pair ki pose ki long ka pose junior grade Finance Accounts Officer lani Treasury Officers of Meghalaya Finance Service Pratli ki pose kertak babiang hapo ka shidrik lani ko January anaja arpusaw ka long hapring ka arpaway bat lai po ars nem bat kerta penjalan on priang tanaki SC bat SD Kajing yok long haka P level 16 kat kum ka revised pay structure ki applicant ki ben long ki bala pendep ka graduation haka commerce science but arts lamat ka commerce sani economics sani mathematics kum ka way na ki subjects haka graduation level bala pendep na kinu ki recognized university ka post industrial promotion officer lani assistant industries officer lani assistant manager CFSW lani Superintendent of Industries in Commerce and Industries Development, Laip Hoteli ki post, South Liki post kilong unreserved, kadar na kabantay ki kasi but giantia, kadat liki post na kabantay ki garo, but art liki post na kabantay ki SC, ST others. Kartak babiang hapo kashitrik klaning ko January anaja arpusaw kalong, hapadeng ka katprat, but laipo arts nem, but karta penjalan on priang tanaki SC but ST. Kajingyong kanlong, haka P level 15 kat kom ka revised pay structure ki applicant ki ban long ki bala pendep ya ka degree na ka no ka engineering line like no ya ka civil engineering ka post assistant architect gazetted group A under public work department R&B Meghalaya ka jingyo kan long haka P level 15 kat kom ka revised pay structure kerta ka babiang hapo ka shitrik klaning ko January anaja arpusaw ka long hapadeng ka arpoy bat laipo ars nem pagkarta penjalan on priang tanaki SC but ST. Dan kami ki candidate ki bala pendep ka Bachelors of Architecture lani ka kandan ka biyarikat na ki recognized university lani institute. Ka post investigator in the Directorate of Housing ka ka post na kamta ki garo. Karta ka babiyang hapo ka shitrik laling ko January anaja arpusaw ka long hapadeng ka katpra bat laipo arsnem pagkarta penjalan on priang tanaki SC but ST. Ka jingyo kan long haka P level 5 ki applicant ki ban long ki bala pass HSSLC lani ka kandan ka bayaringkat lambat ka mathematics statistics lani economics kum ka way ki subjects ki candidate ki badare ka mon ba ka kandan jing puli kin hap man apply online lima ka direct link ki applicant kin hap ro ban siyo ka application fee ka basyong dor saus pa han rip ho but lies ba ar hoding ka but tang shiteng dor na ka bantay ki SC but ST Bantip company let check our website www.mpac.nic.in bad katarik khaddo unprangi ka application ka long ha ka hendrutrik rumpang February anaja arpusaw. Ka Fate Foundation Meghalaya ka bade ka Child Rights Organization ka panbanay ka KHUBOR LAIT KAM at ka court application na ki candidate man pandap ka post ka balat ba ka post ka long ka post office assistant ka way ka post ka posting kan long ha Shillong Meghalaya ka jingyo kan long shipo hajar shibnai ka contract kan long na ka banta shisnem but laro ban pateng ka contract at kum ka performance ka applicant ki ban long ki class 12 pass na mat ka experience sa pateng ka shisnem ban arsnem ka applicant ki ban long ki betbet aga tho khatar ha kran ka khana ha kantin pareng ki betbet aki kam computer ki bakloy ban yatri lang bat ki way ki jindan kam ki candidate ki badane ka mon ba ki kandan jing puli kin haban pa ek CV ki jonki ki computer training certificate lene ki ki certificate la dan but pa ka email ID contact ffsg@gmail.com ki tarik khaddo ban penge ka application pura ka long shwala ne ha ka lai tarik rumpang February anaja arpusaw ka National Institute of Technology Meghalaya ka court application haka prescribed format na ki nong shnong gari but ki overseas citizenship of India jong ki category pair ki post ki long ka post professor ki department wise vacancy ki long mechanical engineering ka way ka post unreserved but mathematics art ki post unreserved ka jingyo kan long haka level 14A jong ka pay matrix 7 CPC ki applicant ki ban long ki bala PhD lambat ka experience ka bashi post nam shaneng Ka post associate professor, kawai ka post unreserved, ki department wise vacancy ki long, civil engineering kawai ka post unreserved, mechanical engineering kawai ka post unreserved, but mathematics artali ki post unreserved. Ka jingyo ka long ha ka pay level 13A2 jung ka pay matrix 7 CPC, ki applicant ki di ban long ki balapan dep PhD, dan kamro eka experience ka ban rius nam na nekandai nam sheneng, ka ba kuntop eka experience ka ba lights nem kom ki assistant professor jung ki AGP ka ba prahajar tingka. Ka post assistant professor grade 1 ki department wise vacancy ki long, civil engineering south li ki post, art li ki post na kamuntai ki SC, kawai na kamuntai ki OBC, but kawai ka post ka long unreserved. Ka ba R, computer science and engineering, kawai ka post unreserved. Electronics and communication engineering lightly ki post, kawai ka post na kamuntai ki SC, R na kamuntai ki OBC, but mathematics lightly ki post, kawai ka post na kamuntai ki SC, but R na kamuntai ki OBC. Ki applicant ki di ban long ki bala pendap ika PhD, but ki badan ro ika experience ka bahan rius nem, ka bakuntop ika experience ka balais nem ha ka KAM hikai but research, like a reputed academics institute lani R&D's lab lani ki waki industry. Ka post assistant professor grade 2, ka post apo ka contract basis, ki department wise vacancy ki long, computer science and engineering artali ki post, kawai ka post ka long unreserved but kawai na kamuntai ki ST, electronics and communication engineering, kawai ka post unreserved, electrical engineering lightly ki post, kawai ka post ka long unreserved, kawai na kamuntai ki ST but kawai na kamuntai ki ES, chemistry kawai ka post unreserved but humanities and social science artli ki post unreserved. Kajingyo kan long ha ka level 10 pay matrix, ki applicant ki ban long ki bala pendap ika PhD. Ki candidate ki badana ka mon ba ki kadanjing puli kin hap ban apply online da ka balej ka website www.nitm.ac.in, dan kam ro ban siu ya ka application fee ka basyong dor, 6,000 tingka batang ki SC, ST, PWD bat ki candidate kantay kim dan kaman siwi ka application fee. Katarik hado ban pengi ka application ko pura kan long hado ka arap kondai trik rumpang February anaja arpo saw. Ka Railway Recruitment Board RRB ka penmalai ka KHUBOR LAIT KAM ka kon application pen pendap ikisan hajar rius ba kandai pen riu tili ki post ka post assistant Loco pilot ALP sanhajan rius ba kandai pen riu tili ki post ka bakentop ikin riu po artli ki post sa Guwahati RRB. Kertak babiang hapo ka shitrik naitung July araja arpo saw kalong hapreng ki khat prab lai post nem ba kerta penjalan kan long tang nagabantai ki SC, ST bat OBC. Kajingyo kan long ha ka level 2 jung ka 7 CPC kat kandai hajar kandai spa lambat ki wiki allowances. Ki applicant ki di ban long ki bala pendap matriculation and SSLC lambat ka ITI na ki recognized institutions jung ka NCVT lani SCVT hai ka trade kum ka fitter, electrician, instrument mechanic, millwright maintenance mechanic, mechanic radio and TV, electronics mechanic, mechanic motor vehicle, wireman, tractor mechanic, armature and coil winder, mechanic diesel, heat engine, turner, machinist, refrigeration and air conditioning mechanic. Lanaki candidate ki pala pendep eka matriculation and SSLC lamar ki apprenticeship course ki trades ki badan kam ki laban apply. Lanaki balaban apply ki didu ki candidate ki pala pendep ki jingpuli ki subjects of pair po ka engineering field. On kam ailat ki candidate ki bala pendep engineering le diploma na ki no ki recognized institute. Ki candidate ki badane ka mon ba ka dan jingpuli kin haban apply online link ba ka direct link. Ki candidate can have ban pendep ek physical but medical test. Ka application fee ka syong dor san spa tingka batang aspa san po tingka na kabanda ki SC, ST, ex-serviceman, PWD. Ki candidate can thay minorities, economically weaker section but transgender candidate. Katarik haddo men register online kan long ha ka kandai tarik rumpang February ahada arpasaw shwa ka por kan arabajim meet. Madip company pinaban lech ka website jung ka RB recruitment portal. Ka office jung ka administrative medical officer ESI scheme employed state insurance scheme lower lachumer shillong ka panpanay ka KHUBOR LAIT KAM ka walk-in interview Naki candidate ki badane ka mon ba ke kerdan jing puli ban pendap e ka post ka balat ba ka post ka long ka post insurance medical officer ka we ka posting kan long ha ESI dispensary berni hat Meghalaya. Kerta ka babiang kan long san pusan snem ka jingyo kan long san pu hajar shibanai ki applicant ki ban long ki bala pendap ke MBBS degree bala recognized ka Medical Council of India. Ki candidate ki badane ka mon ba ka kerdan jing puli kin happen one mi ka walk an interview ka bansan long ha khat lai trik rumpang February anaja arpusau office chamber of the administrative medical officer ESI scheme Lower Lashmere Meghalaya Shillong pin code Nyo Khandai line or not iway. On sedang ka registration ha ka Porsche po bijim step hadu khatwe bijim step takar part iki candidate baro bikin one mi ka por bala bu lambat ki original but self attested photocopy ju ki got kis like badan kam. The Northeastern Indira Gandhi Regional Institute of Health and Medical Science Nigram Shillong kapan banai ke KHUBOR LAIT KAM ke code application na ki candidate ki badane ka mon ke kandan ching puli ban pendap ke post ka balait ke post ka long ka post junior resident doctors arpo waitli ki post lightly ki post long unreserved ar nak banta ki economically weaker section line nak banta ki OBC khatway nak banta ki SC but ar nak banta ki ST. Kerta ka babiang kan long live post nem but kerta penjalan on priang tanah ki SC but ST. Kajingyo kan long haka P level 10 P matrix ke bedesan pendu hajar shispa lembat ke NPA bat ki allowances. Ki applicant ki deben long ki bala pendep MBBS degree ki bala pendep ke compulsory internship program bat ki bala register lembat ke Central and State Medical Council. Ki candidate ki badane ka mon ba ke kerdan jing puli kin hak man apply ha ka rukom ke babiang daga ba scan he ka application wa pura lembat ki got kis la ki badan kam ba ka dur passport size but phaling ba ka email je ka ID nigrims.recruitment@gmail.com ka tarik khat do prange ka application kan long shwala ni ha ka lai phoi tarik klaling ko January anaja arpusau. Ke Airport Authority of India AI ke khot online application na ki candidate ki padai ki Nongshishong Jangajalla Assam Arunachal Pradesh Manipur Mizoram Meghalaya Nagaland bat Tripura ban pendap ek post senior assistant and junior assistant ki post discipline wise kilong ka post senior assistant electronics khatnyotali ki post ki applicant ki deban long ki bala pendap ek diploma ha ka electronics and telecommunication and radio engineering dan kami ka experience bomdonai ka arts nem ka post senior assistant operations art ki post ki candidate ki bala pendap ek graduation but ki badon ek light motor vehicle license ki la ban apply but on kam ailat ek candidate ki bala pendap ek diploma ha ka management dan kam ro ek experience bomdonai ka arts nem ka post assistant accounts santali ki post ki bala ban apply ki de ki graduates but on kam ailat ki candidate ki bala pendep ek BCom lembat ka jinang dingtep ha ki kam computer kham tam ha ka MS office ka post junior assistant fire service sa politely ki post ki applicant ki de ban long ki class 10 pass lembat ka regular diploma course ka balais nem ha ka mechanical ni automobile ni fire ni class 12 pass ro hila ban apply ki applicant ki do ban long ki badane ka driving license ka light motor vehicle lani valid medium vehicle license lani valid light motor vehicle license bala issue hapo ka light photorik no prat December araja arpulai kerta ko biang hapo ka light photorik no prat December araja arpulai na ka bantai ki post Airport Authority of India ka long hapadeng ka khat pra light post nem pat kerta penjalan kan longat kum ka relaxation ki candidate ki badane ka mon maga kandan jing puli kin happen apply online ning bag online portal jung ka AI lekar par ki applicant baro bikin puli pinya ek official notification shwa bikin apply online ka tarik khado ban apply kan long shwala di ha ka shiphotorik rumpang February araja arpusau ka Indian Institute of Management Shillong gapan banai ka KHUBOR LAIT KAM ba ka khot application na ki candidate ki badane ka mon ba ka kandan jing puli ban pendap ek post ka balait ba ka post ka long ka post assistant manager southly ki post ka post na ka bantai ki SC ka na ka bantai ki ST ka na ka bantai ki OBC but ka post ka long unreserved kerta ka biang ka long life pusan snem kajing yo kan long haka level 6 lai pesan hajar South Spa. Ki applicant ki deben long ki bala pendep ke graduation na ki recognized university lane ki candidate ki badan ki kandan ki biyaring kat bam tunai kesan pesan persen ru ki la ban apply. Ki applicant ki diru ban long ki badan ke experience kum ki office assistant bam tunai kesan snem haka pay level 4 lane ki candidate ki badan ke experience ke bashis nem ru ki la ban apply. Ki candidate ki badane ka mon na ka kandan jing puli kin happen apply online na ka balej ka website www.iamshillong.ac.in. Ki applicant kin habro ban siwe ka application fee ka bashong dor South Spa tingka matang Ars Spa tingka na ka pentai ki SC ban SD. Ondala deb ban register online ya ka print out jang ka application lambat ki kod ki slide ki padan kam Penpoy to Chief Administrative Officer IM Shillong Sauli Shillong pin code Nyo Kandai Lai Not Iwe Pra Nakarpat iki applicant baro bakin superscribe halor ke envelope ya keteng post ke baki apply ketarik khaddo menprangi ke application bapura kelong chuala ni haka arpuknai tarik kalingkot January araja arpusau Parlok nong pet kito kilong ki KHUBOR LAIT KAM hangane kapor bat nga kermen benun rasya pe ki KHUBOR LAIT KAM hangane katayo ka bansawan ya benta nakadurar sin kan Shillong ai ko pili phi ka tayo ko bahai phi bara